Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the SportPet Designs Plastic Kennels Rolling Plastic Wire Door Travel Dog Crate in medium size. Perfect for ensuring your furry friends' comfort and safety during travel. This durable gray kennel is IATA Airline approved, making it an ideal choice for those who frequently fly with their pets. It comes with 2 dishes, 4 live animal stickers, and metal bolts and nuts for secure assembly, ensuring your pet's needs are met while on the go. The kennel features tie-down holes for bungees, which are required by airlines, and its robust construction allows for easy assembly and disassembly. To ensure the perfect fit, make sure your dog's measurements are under 24 inches in length and 16 inches in height, and don't forget to check out the size chart photos and video for guidance on measuring your pet correctly. Designed for all life stages, this travel dog crate offers peace of mind and convenience for pet owners who want the best for their companions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more pet product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.